scale, which is G flat and G flat. Okay, so we have B, E, A, D, G, C. The only flat we do not have is F, right? So we have E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D, what? Natural, natural.
Oh, natural.
See the natural sign there? This is the natural. It voids the flat. It does away with the flat, even though it says D flat here. Okay, then we have E flat. Because remember, the seventh note in the harmonic minor scale is raised a half step. So we have D natural, C flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, F is not F, and then we have E flat. So this is our repeat sign here. We're going to do this 3 times. Now let me show you how it works. Second finger on E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, thumb under on C. Now the second finger is going to play D right here, and third finger E flat. It's not D flat because remember in the harmonic minor scale it's raised a half step. E flat, D, natural, C, fourth finger B flat, A flat, G flat, wait a minute, I'm right. A, F, and E flat. Oh, the fingering is wrong, no wonder. It's confusing, that's left hand, 2, E flat, thumb, G flat, A flat, B flat, and C flat. Now what you have to do is take your third finger, this is tricky, pass it over to D natural. See how I'm doing it? E flat, D natural, thumb under on C flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, and E flat. Okay, now I want to see, let me write something down here. We're doing the E flat minor scale on page 31. Like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. So you have to play that G between these 2 chords. It's very slow. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 for the quarter, 2, and 3, 4. This has a lot of dotted notes in it. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. So you have to learn about the dotted quarter is equal to 1½ counts. So if you have a dotted quarter and you add an eighth note to it, what's the total number of beats? 1 and 2 and. So that's equal to 2 counts, 2 beats. And this E comes on to very slow. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Do you see how those eighth notes work? Did your father, do you understand? Yep. Okay. Okay. So this measure, these are the same, this is the same, this is the same, except for this measure. So I want you to do 2 lines for next week. Can you do that?
Yes.
1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. So you know the D is going to come right between there. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2. Very slowly. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we've already played the D minor scale. Didn't we? Yeah.
Yes.
Has a B flat and a C sharp. So these notes are all taken from the D minor scale. And it's in 3/4 time, so we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm only going to give you 1 line, because if you can do 1 line, then next week I'll give you the second line. Then each week we'll take a new line, okay?
Okay.
The right hand is 1 and 2, starts with the thumb. 1 and 2 and 3. Are you watching?
Yes.
1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The fingering for this chord is the thumb on C sharp, the 4th finger on G, and the 5th finger is on A. So here you have A, G, and C sharp, and these are the same. So it's 1, 4, 5 like this. Put your thumb up on C sharp, 4th finger on G, 5th finger on A, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the right hand is D, E, D, C sharp, D, E, F, G, A, and you hold it for 2 beats. Okay, now the left hand is the D minor chord, D, F, and A. And the thumb is on D. So what position are we in?
D minor.
D minor position, right. D minor position. 1, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3. That takes care of these 2 measures. Listen. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2, 3. 4th finger E, 1 and the chord 2, 3, 1, 2. So you're playing. 4th finger is on E, thumb is on A. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now if you can do that line, then next week we'll take the second line and put them together. And if you can do those both, then we'll start the third line. And the third line is exactly the same as line 1. The line that's completely different is line 4. Okay. Do you think that's enough for him to work on in the notes? And these 2, and these 2. So these are the only staccatos, right there, there. Everything else is legato, okay? You understand?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to give you 2 lines, because this line here is exactly the same as this line here. Line 1 and 2 are exactly the same. C, E, G, E, C. All right. 1 and 2 and 3 and second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Can you do that?
Yes.
All right. So that will be. We'll finish every white key beginning with A, B, C, D, E, and just write all the notes. Write the letter name on every key marked with an X. Here. And then 2, middle C position. Remember middle C position?
Yeah.
Okay, they want you to write the names of the keys in the middle C position. You just copy them there. You just write F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Down here, draw lines connecting dots to match the left-hand finger number with the key that it plays in the middle C position. It says left-hand 5th finger. Well, the left-hand 5th finger is on F. So that means you have to connect the dot like that to F. Can you do that?
Yes.
Middle C position, page 5. Write the names of the notes that have X's on them. 2, draw lines connecting dots to match the right-hand finger numbers. These are for the left-hand finger numbers. These are for the right hand. So the middle C position for the right hand is thumb on middle C. RH1, that's middle C, so you connect that dot with C down there. Can you do those?
Yes.
And that's all I want you to do. I'm going to spell pages 3, 4, and 5. And that's it. Good. We got everything done we needed to do, didn't we? All right.